Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this very yummy crispy fish burger that you are sure to love. For this recipe we're going to be using some white fish. I have hake fish here that I've already filleted myself. I took out the bone and everything else, and it is just the pieces of fish that is left in here. I've cleaned them, and this is what we're going to be making our burger patties with. This is a crispy fish burger that you would not stop making. Trust me, you guys, this burger is the bomb. Okay, so to season our fish, I am going to be using the all ground spice. This particular spice is so nice, and I love it with my fish a lot. I'm going to be adding some ground pepper, some salt, and some seasoning cubes. You can opt the pepper if you do not like your burgers crispy, but as a Nigerian girl, I am adding pepper to mine. And of course, you would need your burger buns. This you can find the recipe too in my previous video on my channel. And then of course we're going to be using some all-purpose flour to make the coating for our burger. Of course we're going to be using 1 egg. Every ingredient and their measurements will be in the description box, so do check that out. To dress our burgers, we're going to be using some cucumber, some tomato slices, and also some lettuce and some onion. Feel free to add any vegetable that you fancy, but this is what I'm going to be making my burgers with. So let's get straight into making our burgers. But first off, the spread that we're going to be placing on our burgers is going to be made from mayonnaise and ketchup. I'm going to mix these two together to be our spread for the burger, and this, guys, is a step you don't even want to skip. Trust me. You can use just ketchup or just mayonnaise, but I find that adding the two together just takes the taste to a whole new level. Right now I'm going to be making our flour mix that we're going to be dredging our fish in. So into our flour, I added some salt, some all-purpose spice. To that I'm going to add a seasoning cube and some of that ground pepper. Mix all of this together, give it a very good mix to combine everything. And once that is combined, we're going to set aside. In a separate bowl, we're going to crack 1 egg and season the egg. I want to make sure that everything that goes into this fish is properly seasoned. So I'm just repeating the same seasoning that we placed into our flour: some salt, some ground pepper, all ground spice, and then of course some seasoning cube. Mix that together to combine and set aside as well. So next we're going to season the fish itself, the same seasoning, you guys. Like I said, this burger is so delicious. You will not stop making it. Every part of the fish is so tasty. So we're just repeating the same seasoning for the fish. We're going to coat the fish to make sure that every piece of it has all the seasoning. And once that is done, I'm going to set it aside and begin dredging it in our flour and egg mixture. So first off, I'm going to put a piece of fish into the egg mixture, place it into the flour, and then coat properly till every part of the fish is coated with our flour mix, and then I'll set it aside. Repeat this process with all your fish pieces till you are out of fish. You guys, this crispy fish can go on its own. You don't even need to add it into a burger. You can serve it with chips or a drink on any regular day, and it is so yummy and so delicious. You would love it. Now that we have finished with our fish, I'm just going to prepare our burger buns. I'm going to cut it open with a knife, and then we're going to toast this in a pan. I'm going to be pan toasting it, no butter, nothing, because our bun is already very rich. As you can see, I've opened it up. I'm just going to repeat the same process with the next burger bun. If you're still watching and you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and be a part of this family. Also, make sure that you click the notification bell so you'll always get notified when I post my videos. So now I'm just pan toasting this bread to make sure that the bun on its own is very, very crispy, and that when we spread our burger spread on top of it and add all the patties, it will come out very, very delicious and not soggy. That is why we toast the bread, so that your burger is not soggy. So in the hot oil, I'm just going to fry all the fish pieces till they are golden brown, as you can see here. This should take about 7 to 10 minutes on medium heat. You don't want them to burn and you don't want them to soak up so much oil. So make sure that your oil is hot enough to place the fish. And now that our fish is ready and it has cooled off, we're just going to go ahead and build our burger. The first thing I'm going to do is spread that mayo and ketchup mix over our bun. Be very generous with this, because this is what will either make your bun dry or extra juicy. Once I'm done spreading that, I am going to layer on some lettuce. These I've already washed and cleaned, so make sure you wash and clean your lettuce before you place them on your bun, okay? And in no particular order, I am going to add some slices of cucumber. I'll top that off with some tomato slices. And then I'm just going to add our crispy fish on top of this. As many pieces as the burger can take. I'm going to take the top of our burger bun and then just spread that mayo mix on top of it. I'm adding some onion rings. You can totally skip this if you do not like onions, but I wanted to go extra because I believe this burger deserves all the extra. Okay, so we spread our mayo and ketchup mix over the burger bun, and then we're just going to place it to cover it. Voila! Our crispy fish burger is ready. Just look at that. How yummy does this look? It looks so beautiful. Like right now I just want to dig in, but okay. So yeah, that is our burger. It is ready. You can see how easy and simple this recipe was. You can totally recreate this at home. My family had a wonderful time devouring this burger, I can tell you that. And to finish this up and actually serve it like they do in restaurants, I did serve my burger with a side of chips and some ketchup to go with it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, kindly leave me your comments in the comment section. Be sure to subscribe and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!